Hello, viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode number 7, the continuation of our series on coordinate geometry 1, where in the last episode we deal with how to find the midpoint of a line segment. We want to use that concept to find a solution to this question. So M, which is having the coordinate to be 4, 7, is described as the midpoint of the line joining the point A, X, Y, which is unknown, and B, 6, 11. We have to find the coordinate of the point represented by the X, Y from here. So in a nutshell, we are looking for the midpoint, which is already known. So let's base on the midpoint formula to derive the coordinate of the endpoint. So here we can say that M is the midpoint of the line segment AB, right? So what is the formula connecting that? We know midpoint XY equals to X1 X2 divided by 2 Y1 Y2 divided by 2 as the point, right? That's by formula, recall. So the coordinate of M, which is the midpoint, is given to us. Then the coordinate of the endpoint are also given. So meaning I am going to eliminate the M and base on only the coordinate, which is going to give us 4 and 7 should be equals to, don't forget we say AB, meaning A first. So this is going to be our X1, Y1, X2, Y2, right? So if we are adding, we are picking this plus 6. So that will be X plus 6 divided by 2, give us the first coordinate. Then we pick Y plus 11, right? Divided by 2. So, all right, this will give us the coordinate. Now, the answer we are looking for is X coordinate answer and Y coordinate answer, which has been given in the question already. Meaning, if we were to find the midpoint of A and B, we will arrive at 4 for the x-axis, meaning 4 is the same as whatever is here. You will get 7 on the y-axis, meaning when you compute this, you must get 7. So you can think of numbers, you add to 11 divided by 2 to give you 7. You can do that. But we can find an equation to say that x plus 6 divided by 2 should be the same as 4 as equation 1. Then y plus 11 divided by 2 should be same as what? 7. These are the two equations we can get from here. This is the same as this, and 7 is the same as the letter n. This becomes linear equation involving fraction. So I'm going to cross multiply from here. I'll be having 2 being the LCM, multiplying both sides, give you x plus 6 equals to 8. Let's say that is equation 3. Here will also be that multiplying by 2 will give you y plus what? 11. Okay, let's find the x first. Okay, let's find the x, then we continue. So from here, I'll be having x maintain, 8 maintain, we subtract 6 from both sides, and that will give us x equals to 2. Then similarly, we can also pick from here, multiplying by 2 will give you y plus 11 equals to 14 as equation 4. If you were to multiply both sides by 2, 2 will multiply here and cancel from here. I'll maintain the y, right? Maintain the 14, then subtract 11 from both sides. So minus 11, that make y equals to, I guess, 3. So y will be 3, whilst x will be 2. So therefore, the coordinate the coordinate of A is going to be 2 and what? 3. That is going to be A will be 2, 3, where the x coordinate will be 2, as we found the y coordinate will be 3. I get the concept of applying the midpoint formula in finding the endpoint from the line segment is understood. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.